Are you struggling to access or recover your SharePoint data? Corrupted databases, accidental deletions, or server crashes can make SharePoint content inaccessible. In such situations, manual recovery is time-consuming and risky. That's why introducing SysTools SharePoint Recovery Tool, a reliable solution to scan, repair, and restore SharePoint data, including documents, lists, triggers, functions, and more, quickly and securely. Key features of the software: recover SharePoint objects, recover database components such as triggers, functions, rules, lists, documents, and more. Quick scan and preview, scan and preview SharePoint database items along with their properties. Export options, export recovered data to SQL Server or extract SharePoint documents to the local system. SQL Server requirement: SQL Server must be available to export data into the SQL Server database. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools SharePoint Recovery Tool. Then click top search results with official SysTools website link. Once you're on the website, click on Download button. Once install the software, simply launch it. You will be greeted with a clean interface. Now, click on the Browse button to select the corrupted or damaged SharePoint MDF file. Choose the MDF file from its respective location on the drive and click on the Open button. Click on Recover option to start the SharePoint recovery process. Software will start the recovery process and you will be able to view the status in the prompted window. You can preview of all the documents of the repaired MDF file. Click Close button. On the left side, you'll see a tree structure showing site collections, documents, lists. Click on any item to preview its contents on the right panel. The next button allows you to move forward through the list of recovered SharePoint items. Previous button takes you back to the item you just viewed. Now click on the Export button to save the repaired MDF file. You will now see two radio button options under the Export Options section: SQL Server Database and SharePoint Documents. If you want to export the recovered data back into a SQL Server database, then select the SQL Server Database radio button. Enter the required SQL Server credentials, including server name or IP address, database name, username and password. SQL Server must be installed and running on your machine or network to use this option. Ensure proper access permissions are granted before proceeding. SharePoint Documents option allows you to extract and save SharePoint content such as files, lists, and attachments directly to your local file system, without needing to reconnect to a live SharePoint or SQL Server environment. Click Save button. The software will ask you to export selected documents only. If you want, then click Yes, otherwise select No as per your need. Choose a destination folder on your local drive. Click OK. Software will start the export process. You can see live export progress report. After completion of export process, click Finish. And navigate to the location where you saved your files. There, you'll find your recovered items saved in the document format as doc, XLSX, PDF, maintaining the folder structure and metadata. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your SharePoint database items using SysTools SharePoint Recovery. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.